wanted to find a place that would be right for me.
The right education, the right connections.
The UK.
In the UK, education is always evolving, yet upholding its hundreds of years of excellence and tradition. The UK experience is exhilarating, the standard of education is high, and the qualification, it's valued all over the world. I'm always happy to recommend UK as a higher education destination for students.
We provide students this opportunity to have access to various universities. British Council has provided us support in this regard. In January this year, we had a university fair at our campus, where it was an excellent opportunity for the student body to access direct information from the university representatives as well as the education consultants. And I feel that that was the point where Education UK has provided excellent support to the students and helped the students in applying to the right universities. Not only the universities which were accepting the students, but also according to the aptitude and the career path they had chosen for themselves.
British Council offers perfect advice to students at their pre-departure meetings, where they advise students from what food items to take, what to pack, and what to expect when reaching the UK. As it could be quite a cultural shock for some of us like myself who are travelling to the UK for the first time.
British Council has made us realize that if we want a space in the sun, we have to bear some blisters, and these blisters we bear together. When they come to our education fairs, they come to our institutions, and they coach our students about which subjects should they be selecting and how should they be selecting their subjects, which universities should they be applying to, and how to write down the personal statements, which is a very pertinent feature of the applications. And this is how they also help us in making us visit their various universities. They have been taking our counselors to the various universities and giving them an actual feel of how the student would be exposed to the culture of the UK and what various factors which would become important for the student to know about. And we are really very grateful to the British Council. We have a very, very long relationship and understanding with the British Council, and they have really facilitated us on advising our students and in promoting this program of ours in our institution.
I have always been confused about where to go. The British Council representatives at the University Fair have provided me with all the information related to business schools in UK. That definitely helped me with my decision.
The seminar on virtual exhibition in our school helped me a lot. The option of online chat 24/7 was the best part. It helped me a lot. And it was after this seminar that I decided to go to UK universities. This was because of the world-class faculty and the nurturing academic environment over there.
The role of an agent is very important for a student's career, because when a student comes to an agent, so the agent is the right person who can guide him about the right option of his course, about the institution, about the right country, and the agent should guide the student according to his financial requirements and the requirements of the course.
Education UK website has all the relevant information regarding scholarships, admissions, accommodation, but students must come to a good educational consultant for their advice.
I would say to start with, I'm an alumni of University of Bristol, UK. I did my MBA in '97. Going before to UK for the MBA program, I had my master's in economics from Pakistan. Going to Bristol was a challenge, and then doing my MBA there, but that MBA helped me a lot, really taught me lots of obviously things regarding to my industry, which is the banking, which I joined after my MBA. But the main thing which I could learn from MBA was the multitasking, which is really helping me even after 15 years of graduating. Till today, I think I can proudly say that I've been able to encash my MBA degree in a very, very valuable way, because I had the opportunity to work for local as well as international banks, working for Citibank or HSBC in Pakistan, or working for a Middle East bank in Saudi Arabia. Really gave me an edge having a British qualification. When I started my research for this MBA, one place that was quite helpful was British Council Lahore. This is the place where I used to go and visit, talk to different people there, especially in the student counseling section, and they were quite helpful. So I would like sort of advise everybody that please use British Council as a proper place, and do your homework before going to the UK.
I always wanted to study in the UK, but I was clueless about where to begin. Thanks to the Education UK website, counselling and information days at my institute, I have found all the answers to my questions and concerns regarding how to apply to a UK university. There has been no going back ever since.
Why UK education?
It's applicability, it's appropriateness, value for money.
Obviously, Mayar, Tareem ka. वो तो कहीं नहीं गया. We cannot deny it. No matter what happens, how many other countries come up with options. We've always seen कि UK has always been synonymously linked with कि मयार बहुत अच्छा है education का वहाँ पे. Multicultural society, and there is proximity maybe as compared to Australia or the US.
There is a right university for a right caliber of a student, and that's what we need to aim at.
वहाँ पे ना आपकी नेटवर्किंग भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती है, क्योंकि आप एक ग्रुप के साथ थ्रू आउट द ईयर यू स्टिक टू देम, आपके अपने ट्यूटर्स के साथ. अब मुझे ये पता है, मैं जब से वापस आई हूँ, आई हैव चेंज्ड 3 jobs. And my personal tutor was always available to provide references and to guide me. उसको मैं share उसके साथ मैं करती हूँ क्योंकि this is the opportunity I have, and he goes out of his way to make sure that I receive the guidance and my employer receives the reference. So person
global perspective आपका complete नहीं हो सकता, जिसे cross Atlantic perspective कहते हैं, जब तक कि आपको British perspective भी उसके अंदर हो, because British perspective especially South Asia के हवाले से, Middle East को देखने के हवाले से, Africa को देखने के हवाले से British perspective बड़ा ही अहम, बड़ा important perspective है.
One of the great things about UK education is कि आपका जो भी undergraduate आप जिस area में करते हैं अपने undergraduate studies, you don't have to stick to that. आप अपना field, आप history करके banking में जा सकते हैं. आपकी transferable skills के बहुत emphasis होता है
कि British Council is very closely working with the institutions जो कि O&A levels करवा रहे होते हैं, और उसी networking को, उसी contacts को use करके British Council हम लोगों को एक platform पे लेके आते हैं.
And especially through the forum of Education UK, तो ये networking of counsellors has helped a lot in learning for what are the requirements of the universities and what role does the school have to play.
So the British Council manages a lot of scholarship programs. It's a variety of scholarships for different kinds of students and different tiers of students. We have very famous Foreign and Commonwealth Office Chevening scholarships, which are for postgraduate students. Basically, they are for potential leaders who come back and contribute to the development of the society on their return to Pakistan. And a major component of Chevening scholarship is around arts, interfaith studies, intercultural relations, environment, which are important priority areas for Pakistan.
Innovative,
individual,
inspirational,
Education UK.